Hi everybody, it's the editor here from robinhooddashcam. I hope you're well, staying safe, and as always, are enjoying the videos. Now, I've got a question for you followers. What can you hear?
Oh dear, oh, that's not good. It looks as though the Fiat 500 is pulling out and the other one's teabagged it. Yeah.
Let's have a listen to that again. What can you hear?
It looks as though the Fiat 500 is pulling out and the other one's teabagged it. Yeah.
The reason I'm asking this question is I've had a few comments sent in to say that my passenger thinks that the other car had been teabagged. Now, I'm not going to sit here and explain what that means. You can Google that in your own time, but I certainly don't hear that. I hear T-boned. I even put the subtitles on, and that also caught the word T-boned. Not teabagged. I wouldn't normally make a dedicated video about this, but it made me chuckle. So let me know what you think in the comments. Is it teabagged or T-boned?
Pulling out and the other one's teabagged it. Yeah.
Teabagged it. Teabagged it. Teabagged it. Teabagged it.
It's definitely T-boned. You guys need a hearing test.